What is up, you guys? We are on our way to pick something up. I don't even think we've hinted at this. Well, it's not we, it's Brendon. I don't know that we have hinted at what Brendon is getting. In any of the videos, he's like nonchalantly said it to people, but it's Saturday. 9 o'clock, we're at the bank. He's grabbing some cash. We're in the Trackhawk. Look at that. That's me. We're in the Trackhawk. We've got the trailer. That's kind of a little bit of a dead giveaway because that's not a car trailer. It's not big enough. We have the trailer and we are headed to a dealership. So, let's go. Ouch.
And I'm like, 0. He's like, oh, I went to one dealer and then...
What'd you do?
Another financial mistake.
Mistake?
Something like that. Oops.
Can't even see it from here.
I thought it was tricolored the one I saw. Maybe it is blue.
Yeah, the one they had on their website was blue, which like it's fine, but at the same time, there's like no real blue touching it besides the detail.
I've heard that the pipe is actually really good that's on it.
It's a full titanium.
Yeah.
Active stock.
Brendon was excited for the bike. I was excited for me.
Oopsies.
How are you gonna get that in there? Where are you gonna put it?
What do you mean, where am I gonna put it?
Okay.
Put it in there just like that, baby. I'll hold that door open for me.
Yeah.
Really need to get one of those door things.
Yeah.
It sucks.
I'm sure you could probably buy like an RV one or a placement one and probably just hook it onto here.
Yeah, I probably have to screw it into the bike or the
The trailer.
Trailer.
That exhaust is so large.
Yep. Stock can life. Still on that lid's on there.
That's tight.
Well, the inside will be the side park quick anyways.
Sorry. It's fucking raining. I was just trying to get it in.
I was trying to get it in too, you know what I mean?
louder than that.
Yeah, I think so too. I can perfectly hear myself. Huh?
What?
Yeah.
20 minutes later.
Oh, it was an RR.
As always, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications for new videos. Give us ideas if you want to see anything in particular. We're probably going to focus on a lot of bike stuff with this new thing because not a lot of people have these triple R's. Focus on a lot of bike stuff on the channel. Go through the process of Brendon building it. Yeah. See you next time.